And looking for another win after that home success against Southend.
Yeah, really good, solid win, efficient 2-0. And I can see them carrying it on and winning again.
This is then the Manchester United lineup. Sergio Romero plays in goal. Morgan Schneiderlin starts with Michael Carrick in the middle. Wayne Rooney is the lone striker today. A couple of changes for Sunderland. Costel Pantelimon plays in goal. And here's the shot. And he's missed it.
It's the manager that's in place at the time to try and build that back up again. For my part, I never scored here, so it wasn't a favourite ground of mine.
It's a poor cross, not well hit at all. Dealt with by the defending side. Very well done with the inside of the head as well as the outside. Could score! He's made the save. Patrick van Aanholt. Sunderland in possession again. Shot on! Bounce back off the post. Patrick van Aanholt. Lee Catamol. Catamol. Excellent passing. Great interplay. Runs well! Well, that's a comfortable save from the header.
Yeah, that's a poor effort from the lad, and really should have worked the keeper more than that.
And they've signalled that will be one extra minute. Younes Kabul. They've linked up well. Ready! And it comes to Rooney!
A goal from Rooney, and there was a gap to the keeper's left, and he found that with real power.
It's Manchester United in the lead.
For Manchester United in the 45th minute, number 10.
That's half-time, signalled by the referee. 1-0 the half-time score. FA Cup tie, the second half starts now.
Yeah, well, the first
Wayne
half
Rooney
didn't
can
disappoint,
reflect on a
the second will be no
decent first
different.
And here's Young. Shut off now. No danger at all for the goalkeeper here or for the defending team, and they will play from the goalkeeper now. Ashley Young. Now they can launch a counter-attack. Rodwell. Younes Kabul. It's Jermaine Defoe. Very good intercepting play there to get his positional situation right and win the ball without too much effort. Shots on here, and it's an equalising goal here. It is level, both sides have scored here. Good passing here. There goes the cross. Tries to punch it away. Schweinsteiger, he wants to get the ball. We must give him credit for that, Alan, but every time he's been getting it, he's been wasting it.
Yeah, he has. Just needs a little bit of help and a G up from his teammates. Keep his head up.
This is how they love to play on the break. Wayne Rooney! Well, he got away, and it looked as though he was going to score. So close. Decent effort, Alan.
Well, he did everything right, or 9/10 right at least.
Well, neither side could get...